How to delete Safari on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you if there is a way to delete or uninstall the Safari on iPhone. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that you can't delete or uninstall Safari from your iPhone, as Safari is a core system app designed by the Apple for your iOS, required for many functions. But here is what you can do. Step 1. You can remove Safari from your home screen. From your home screen, after you find Safari, you can as usual remove that from your home screen, like you have to just long press or tap and hold that. From your, you can tap on the option remove app. From your, choose remove from home screen, and from your, as usual, you can remove that. Or you can also restrict the Safari using screen time. For that, go to settings. From settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option screen time. From screen time section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on content and privacy restriction. From here, you'll have to turn on this. And from here, tap on allowed apps and features. From here, as usual, you can toggle the off for Safari. After you turn off this, Safari will disappear from everywhere on your iPhone. Like, you can also set your any browser for your default browser app, like for your Chrome, Firefox or other browser as your default. For that, from the settings section, you'll have to tap on apps. From app, find out the application whom you want to set as default browser. From the section, you can easily find the options like default browser app. After you tap on that, you can set your any browser as your default browser for your iPhone. And that's it. These are the easiest and simplest method to turn off Safari browser on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.